Hi guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. So in today's video, as you can tell, I'm back doing my grandmother's nails. This was in the month of February, so it was kind of Valentine's-ish. So I went in and removed her old set, and then I did my prep work. This time she let me shape her natural nails shorter, as well as I got her to change the style of her nails. She usually likes short almonds, but I got her to try some short square slash coarse one nails this time, and she really enjoyed this one. Girl, I've been struggling a little bit with the applying the gel X to her nails because her nails grows a bit up and the tip don't sit properly. If y'all have any tips, let me know in the comment what I could do to fix that or make it easier. I tried to build up an apex of the nail using the glue and then tried to apply the nail. Since I don't have a builder gel and I didn't really learn builder gel, I just tried to improvise a little bit. But at times I will not have added enough of the, my glue is actually base gel, so at times I wasn't adding enough base gel to the nail and I had to redo it, and then times I add too much and it was spilling, so it was a lot of trial and error, but still great practice session. After applying the nails, I trimmed them down, buffed them, and it was time to start the design. This part of the design was a little bit tricky for me, but it was a great challenge. I was starting from the bottom first and then I realized that wouldn't work, so I took it off and I started from in the middle and got through with that one better. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.